oil and the use of coconut oil in my routine really has replaced my conditioner or the need to use any type of beard conditioner. So, hey, you guys, let's discuss that. Hey, real quick, guys, my name is Joe T, and if this is the first time you're here, I appreciate that. And hopefully, this content is going to be something that you want to do, and you can like and subscribe. Hey, so what I'm doing is I'm just a guy growing a beard, and I'm learning stuff along the way. Simple, really content. I'm learning stuff that I think maybe can help you in your beard journey and a push and play. I don't really do any editing. And hey, here we are. We can communicate in the comments. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate that. So, you guys, let's talk about this. As you know, or if you don't know and you're new here, coconut oil. My beard loves it. Right? It's a great product, and coconut oil has been used for centuries. Um, Really for centuries in for hair and skin as well. So let me just show you what I got going on here, guys. Let's just do this, and I'll show you a little bit of. So if you Google or whatever the heck you do online is you can find that coconut oil is a great product for hair. Look, prevents hair damage, prevents hair growth, conditions hair, treats dandruff, taming frizz, relieves um, dry flaky skin, um, even claiming, promoting hair growth as well. So you guys, it's a great product, and it's been used, like I said, for centuries. So I'm going to show you what I do with coconut oil, and now how I'm claiming, hey, I don't even need conditioner anymore because this is the conditioner that I'm using. So yeah, let me show you what I'm doing on that. And you guys, let me just pop over here again real quick. And if you are new to my channel, is I do like coconut oil and do sort of preach it quite a bit, but it's a great product. So if you haven't checked these out, check out my other videos. And I'm very soft today just because I did do a hot oil treatment, and there it is. I've got a hot oil treatment there as well. That it looks like, oh, that video is a couple years old, so I think I might update that. But yeah, you guys, that's what I got going on in the coconut oil and my belief in it. So let me show you what I'm doing with this is, and I'll explain real quick too. If you haven't seen that other video, you can do it two different ways. So if you put coconut oil on dry, I would use it more of a, man, I've been outside and the sun's got me dry. It's really windy, and I'm it's crunchy and I want it soft again. As long as your beard isn't dirty, you can put some some coconut oil on dry, and put it in, let it sit for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes or so before you jump in, and wash it out with your normal beard wash. Um, I like using it on wet hair just because coconut oil is one of the oils that can lock in moisture. So if you get your hair nice and wet and it's in moisture, you can put coconut oil in as your conditioner, basically. And other than you are going to wash it out with your normal your beard wash. So coconut oil in this natural form, you guys, this is 100% just raw coconut oil. You can find it in your stores, um, your big box stores, grocery stores. It's either in the food, probably both places. In the food, it melts really, really fast. Food section or the pharmacy section. So I would put this on when my beard is wet, even in the shower. Hey, get a little bit, melt it down, and just put it all in and put it in as you would conditioner, and then let it stay in there, you guys, while you're doing your other stuff in the shower, and then wash it out with your beard wash, and it is going to make your beard soft, conditioned, anti-frizz, easy to work with. A lot of guys say, ooh, I don't know if I care for that. The scent of coconut oil, easy, you guys, easy fix. Take a little bit of one of your favorite oils, put a drop or two, and now you've got that scent too while you're enjoying and while you're waiting. And you're enjoying the good stuff that's in that oil too. So hey, there's no problem with that, right? So you guys, that's how I'm making my conditioner. Um, yeah, that's how I'm making my conditioner out of beard oil. So it's definitely has replaced my any other conditioner that I'm using, and I'm getting great results out of it. So I hope that you can too. And comment down below, you guys, if you've used it and if you are using it now. I know a couple guys on here, some of my subscribers that have used it in the past from other videos, and contact me and say, "Wow, man, what a great product!" So, hey guys, that's what I got right now. And hey, subscribe if you haven't. Right, I got some more stuff coming. Thanks.